we have a participant from Kenya. Hi, Ali. How many languages do you speak?
I know Somali, English, Somali, Swahili, Ethiopian language, and English.
Wow. Ali,
Yes, teacher.
try from Saturday to Friday.
Okay, Saturday, Sunday,
Good.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay. So Tuesday, the sound is Z. Z means Z sound. All right. So Tuesday. Try again.
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
And this is
Tuesday,
not whens, it's whens. Together. Whens. Try.
Wednesday,
Good.
Wednesday,
Wednesday. And this is not, this is Thursday. Make the R sound. Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday, right. Thursday. Now I'd like to hear from Ali.
It's a pleasure to meet you, teacher. I don't know how to say thank you.
It's my pleasure. Did you learn something from the class?
Yeah, I learned more things. It's not some. Today I get more things, teacher.
Good to have you here.